Well, it doesn't matter where you're driving around the region tonight. The roads could be wet, and after the rain, we'll be dealing with some gusty conditions. Kate joins us now with a look at your forecast. Hey there.
Hey there. Yeah, 2 rounds of wind, Yuki, to deal with. One with the showers and storms this evening, and another behind that cold front tomorrow as winds really start to roar from the north and west, bringing in much cooler air just in time to start the weekend and the month of May on Saturday. You can see the clouds are in place over Center City. Temperatures are still on the mild side, so even though we've had a lot of cloud cover and showers throughout the day, that tends to stabilize the atmosphere, which limits the threat for thunderstorms. But when you have heat and humidity like we have today, that tends to destabilize the atmosphere. So I do think there's a chance we could pick up a gusty thunderstorm or two. The biggest threat, though, a brief heavy downpour and gusty winds as these showers blast on through. Temperatures still near 80 degrees. So there are 2 lines we have to watch. This first one back here to the west is just moving into central Pennsylvania. This will likely fizzle once the sun goes down, but what we need to be more concerned about, what's more exigent for us, let's say, is this line, which has just started to blow up here from Lancaster County down into portions of central Maryland, and this is headed quickly toward the city within the next hour or so. So showers are in place right now. There's no lightning really with this, not really reporting much in the way of thunderstorms, nothing severe, but you can see the intensity of the downpour is definitely heavier with the yellow and orange shading. That will likely move through the city about 7 o'clock, and even later on tonight, 9:30, 10, 11 o'clock, that front we showed you back to the west, which will start to fizzle, it is going to come through with a few gusty showers. Tomorrow, the sun is back, but winds are still very strong. We're not talking shower and thunderstorm winds. We're talking large-scale winds from the north and west, dragging down the cooler air, cool enough that maybe there are some flurries or a snow shower in the Poconos on Friday night into Saturday morning. As far as tonight is concerned, we are at a marginal risk for severe weather. That is level 1 out of 5. It's definitely not a large risk, but there is the chance that any storm could turn briefly strong this evening. Tomorrow, though, look at these wind gusts. 10 a.m., gusts to 53 miles an hour, and it just continues all day. Gusts over 45 miles an hour right through the evening when they will start to relax. So a high wind watch has already been issued. By tomorrow, this will become either a high wind warning or a wind advisory. But as of now, it's looking like we could see gusts locally as high as 60 miles an hour, and that is certainly strong enough to bring down some tree branches, perhaps cause some power outages as well. So tonight, 58, a few showers or storms with gusty winds. Tomorrow is a sunny, seasonable day, but it is very windy. A couple of passing showers, but gusts to 50 miles per hour. For the weekend, the winds die down a bit Saturday. Saturday is actually a really nice spring day, certainly cooler, but the sun is shining. There's a cool breeze. Sunday, we're back up to 80 with a mix of sun and clouds and the chance for a shower. And we'll keep it very warm into next week with a couple of shower chances Monday and Tuesday as temperatures hover near 80 degrees again. Showers really start to invade Wednesday into Thursday as some colder air returns for the latter half of next week. Yuki, will send it back over to you.